NVIDIA just dropped Nemotron 3 Ultra, and the headline is not just the size. Yes, this is a 550 billion parameter open model with 55 billion active parameters. But the real story is what NVIDIA built it for: long-running AI agents that keep working across tools, files, research, code, and decisions without falling apart halfway through. This is not a consumer chatbot you download on a laptop. It is an open frontier model for agent systems, and the important question is simple. Does OpenAI now have a serious American enterprise model for the agent era? Here is what actually launched. Nemotron 3 Ultra was released on June 4, 2026. NVIDIA lists it as a 550B total parameter, 55B active parameter mixture of experts model, available through NVIDIA Build, Hugging Face, and M microservices, OpenRouter, ModelScope, and several inference providers. The research page says NVIDIA is releasing the pre-trained, post-trained, and quantized checkpoints, plus datasets and model recipes. The model card says the license is OpenMDW version 1.1 and that the model is ready for commercial and non-commercial use. That matters because a lot of so-called open launches only release weights, or only release an API, or leave the training story vague. This one is trying to be a full open model stack, not just a download button. The audience for this model is not someone asking one question and closing the tab. NVIDIA is targeting agents that run for a long time. Think coding sessions where the agent edits files, calls tools, reads logs, fixes errors, and keeps the architecture in its head. Think research agents that synthesize hundreds of sources. Think enterprise workflows where the model has to plan, handwork to subagents, validate results, recover from mistakes, and keep going. NVIDIA's own blog frames the problem clearly. As agent workflows get longer, token counts explode. Every tool call, observation, plan, and recovery step has to move through the model. That creates cost, latency, and goal drift. Nemotron 3 Ultra is NVIDIA's answer to that problem. Use a frontier reasoning model for the hard orchestration calls, then use smaller efficient models for routine execution. The architecture is where this gets interesting. Nemotron 3 Ultra uses a hybrid Mamba and attention design with latent MOE routing, multi-token prediction, and NVFP4 pre-training. In plain English, NVIDIA is trying to keep frontier-level reasoning while making long outputs cheaper and faster. The research page says the model reaches up to 1 million tokens of context. It also claims 5.9 times, 4.8 times, and 1.6 times higher inference throughput than GLM 5.1, Kimi K2.6, and Qwen 3.5 in an 8,000 token input, 64,000 token output setting. The developer blog simplifies that to roughly 5 times higher throughput compared with other open models in its class. NVIDIA also says benchmark task completion can cost up to 30% less. The benchmark table is mixed in a healthy way. Nemotron ties or leads on some agent productivity, instruction following, professional search, and 1 million token ruler results. It does not win everything. Kimi and GLM still beat it in some planning and coding numbers. That is exactly why the honest headline is not best at every benchmark. The better headline is fast, open, agent-tuned, and competitive enough to matter. The OpenStack is the bigger play. NVIDIA is not only releasing a model, it is releasing a stack around agent deployment. The blog points to NemoRL, NemoGym, Dynamo Recipes, NM Deployment, NemoClaw, OpenShell, and integrations with Hermes Agent, OpenClaw, OpenHands, OpenCode, LangChain Deep Agents, and other harnesses. That matters for builders because agents need more than a model endpoint. They need orchestration, memory, tool permissions, secure execution, routing, evaluation, and a way to keep private work separated from cloud work. The newsroom post says Nemotron 3 Ultra is post-trained for those agent harnesses. In other words, NVIDIA is telling enterprises, do not just benchmark this in a chat window. Put it inside the agent loop and measure whether the workflow finishes faster. Now, the practical part. Can most viewers run this locally? Not realistically. The model card lists serious hardware for B200 class GPUs, GB200 or GB300 systems, or 8H100S. This is not a MacBook model. For normal builders, the usable route is through hosted inference, OpenRouter, Perplexity Pro, Anaconda, build.nvidia.com, or a cloud provider. The good news is that open weights still matter even if you rent inference. They create pricing pressure, auditability, portability, and the option for enterprises to fine-tune or deploy on their own infrastructure. The limitation is also obvious. Open does not mean cheap for everyone. A 550B model is still a beast. So the verdict is this. Nemotron 3 Ultra is not NVIDIA trying to beat ChatGPT in a consumer app. It is NVIDIA making a serious open model for the next wave of long-running agents. The win is the combination: 550B total parameters, 55B active, 1 million token context, open checkpoints, release data, model recipes, and deployment, and agent harness support. The caution is that it needs heavyweight infrastructure, and the benchmark wins are selective, not universal. If you build AI agents, this is one to watch because it points to where the market is going. Models judged less by single prompts and more by whether the agent actually finishes the job. If you want more practical breakdowns like this, subscribe. I will keep separating real launches from hype.